I'm Katrina. I'm a registered nurse at the Cameron Wellness Center. So there is a common misconception out there about what a food allergy is. There's all this advertisement for food allergy testing, and it's not actually a true allergy that we're testing for a lot of the time. It's actually a food sensitivity. So what's the difference between a food allergy and a food sensitivity? A food allergy, you would know that you had. That's when somebody has peanuts and they get hives, itchiness, rashes, throat closing up. They might need an EpiPen, and each time they're exposed, they can have a worse and worse reaction to that. A food sensitivity, these reactions are with other types of antibodies that can occur up to 3 days after you've eaten that food. So it's really hard to pinpoint a food sensitivity. And these reactions, they're not those typical allergic reactions that I was talking about before. These are things like maybe your mood is swinging up and down. Maybe you're not sleeping as well as before. It can also be skin issues. A lot of times it's more something like eczema, even 2 days after you've eaten that food. So what we can do is we help you either by a blood test or by what we call an elimination diet, actually listen to your body and figure out what those food sensitivities are. And we give you the ability to track those foods and monitor your reactions, and we do it in a very sequential way so that you can actually listen to your body and start finding out what foods are affecting you and what are not. Food sensitivities can be healed. If we can seal up the intestinal permeability, we can actually start to decrease food sensitivities, because now that food is not getting through the intestinal cells that should be blocking them in the first place, and your immune reaction actually decreases over time. So we work with you to not just recognize your food sensitivities, but actually eliminate them over time.